Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the new photo editing tools in iOS
So
18.
make sure before you can edit your pictures, make sure your device has been updated on the latest version of iOS 18. And after updation, you will just tap on your photos gallery, and from here you will see in the left bottom corner is the edit option. You will just tap on it, and this is the picture which I clicked on my phone. So you will just tap on this adjust, and from here you can just tap on this auto, and when you will just tap to enable, this is the original picture when I was tap on this auto, and it will be some in this filter like enhance photo and smoothly. And you can also just when you tap on it enable auto, and you can just tap to edit in manually. You will see the photo is very generic, so you can just there are many features like you can just if you want to like a black color in photo, the more you can just increase it and it will be black color mode in this photo. And you can also when you tap on this filter icon, you will just select it filter. There are very new filters which is in iOS 18: vivid cool, dramatic, dramatic warm, dramatic cool, and mono filters. And you can also just tap on this if you want to crop it. You can crop it easily, and if you want to reflect the photo, you can just tap on it there. So this is the new features which is in iOS 18. You can just tap to done it, and that's it.
Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.